Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check spam followers on Instagram. So the first step is to open the Instagram app on this Android device. So go in the profile icon is the right below. So now simply tap in the top right corner of three lines of settings and just check your account is on public, not in professional mode. Your account is on public mode. First of all, you will have to check your account is on public mode, not in professional mode. Make sure when you on public mode, then you will be see the follower spam option. So tap to your followers and you will see in the categories. So simply tap to categories. So flagged for review. You can remove spam or irrelevant accounts from your followers. Let us know if we got it wrong by tapping the three dots. This is spam follower option. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.